I made this honey garlic and herb chicken for dinner one night, and it was a hit. It's delicious. Oh yeah, homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. First, prepare 3 chicken breasts by slicing them diagonally, about 3/4 deep. Now, season the cut side with some garlic pepper seasoning. Take some time to rub the seasoning into the chicken. Now add some salt. Coat the breast with some all-purpose flour. Add 3 tablespoons of butter into a frying pan and turn on to medium heat. Spread the butter around and add your chicken breast to the pan, face down. Add another tablespoon of extra butter. Season the back sides of the chicken breast with some garlic pepper and flip them over. Make sure you brown both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now flip the top side back down again. Add another tablespoon of butter. Add about 6 tablespoons of honey. A tablespoon of soy sauce. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And let the chicken marinate. Flip it over, get the other side. Now flip one final time and soak up all of the sauce. Oh yeah.